Something else you are definitely going to need to create your holiday projection mapping show is video content. You can design your own from scratch, or you can source content free online or buy content. If you want to create your own designs from scratch, I would highly recommend YouTube tutorials to teach you pretty much any effect you can dream up. You can also adapt or layer effects on top of a ton of free content available online. YouTube is a great resource for this. Search for green screen or chroma key to find footage with a background you can remove using the chroma keying technique. And anything with a black background is good because projecting black is the same as projecting nothing at all. Free stock footage sites are a brilliant source of copyright-free video and images. A good example of this is Pixabay or VidEvo. Soundimage.org is a good source of sound effects, as is freesound.org. Textures.com is great for images of different materials like stone and wood. Using tools like Doodad, you can generate hundreds of tileable patterns. Then of course you can pay for content. Atmos FX is the biggest player in this space. Their content is very popular and high quality, although it is quite pricey. There are other places like holidayprojection.com, High Res Designs, HalloFX, and my own website. You could consider subscription services like Envato Elements, which gives you access to thousands of high quality videos, motion graphics, images, and sounds. Lastly, a discussion about pre-made shows that you can buy. The way this works is that you submit the outline of your house, you select from one of their pre-made shows, and they adapt it to your house. These usually cost between $99 and $200. This might be a good option for some, but as I said, you still need to create and submit your own outline map of your house, so you can't wash your hands of the technical process entirely. And this map needs to be correct. If you change your mind on the projector position or you made a mistake, too bad, the show won't fit on your house. Also, they're selling you the final video file, so it's much harder to make your own edits or tweaks. Also, watch out for copyright infringement. Some of these companies use movie clips or characters which are someone else's intellectual property, which is against the law. A word on copyright and using copyrighted material in your shows. That might be music or footage you've lifted from movies or recognizable characters from well-known franchises. Although I'm not a lawyer and don't claim to offer legal advice, my understanding is that if your showing of copyrighted material is public, you must obtain performance rights. If you take an entrance fee to see your projection mapping show, you are more likely to get in trouble, but offering your show for free doesn't make it legal. If you use copyrighted music and you post on YouTube, it will likely get flagged, but usually this doesn't result in anything bad. Your video just won't be able to be monetized. If you use copyrighted material, you might want to avoid news coverage, and news crews will probably avoid you because they don't want to get into legal trouble. Though the chances of getting in any serious trouble from using copyrighted material are very low, the safest option is to avoid using other people's intellectual property altogether if you don't own the appropriate licenses. If this video helped you, say thanks by hitting those like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.